What's going on? I'm excited and proud to announce I'm coming to you live and direct from home. We've now come to the end of Q1 for the Toronto real estate market, a quarter which started off on absolute fire. In fact, a quarter which many felt was going to be record-breaking in terms of sales. Boy, how quickly things have changed. This episode, we're going to take a look at the first quarter for the Toronto real estate market and its numbers. We're also going to take a look at how the coronavirus has affected the Toronto real estate market as of March the 15th, when social distancing became the norm. As I said in introduction, the Toronto real estate market was on pace for a record-breaking year. So let's take a look at some of the numbers and what's happened. Looking at the first quarter numbers for the Toronto real estate market for 2020 compared to Q1 of 2019, you can clearly see we had increases in all major categories. Average price increased to $963,947. Total sales increased to $6,841, and new listings jumped to $11,054 compared to the previous year. Breaking it down even further by looking at March 2020 versus 2019, it shows we were on pace for one of the strongest months in recent memory also. Again, showing gains in all major categories: price, sales, and new listings. However, keeping in mind, we only worked with 15 days of the month, and this will be most evident in the next slide. As you can see, what I've done is I've broken down the month of March into two parts, from March 1st to 14th and March 15th to 31st, and compared it from 2020 to 2019. As you can see, from the 1st to the 14th, we had increases in all categories again, with prices up over 16%, the number of sales up over 40%, and the new listings were up over 33%, which is something that the real estate industry desperately needed. However, as of the 15th, we saw prices hold steady, which may come as a bit of a surprise to many out there. But we saw the number of sales decrease by 15%, and we also saw the number of listings decrease by over 20%, which is quite understandable during this time period. So now that we've taken a look at the real estate numbers and seen the impact of COVID-19 on the real estate market, the question is, where do we go from here? Well, the main thing, of course, is it depends on how long we all remain in self-isolation. The longer we remain in our current situation, the greater the impact it is going to be on the real estate market. I can definitely tell you, within the short term, we are going to see a continued drop in sales and also listings. But the major thing that most people are concerned about is price. Contrary to popular belief, we have not seen a major decrease in price. A lot of people expected a double-digit drop in housing prices once this COVID-19 came about. However, we still haven't seen it. Even a recent RBC and CIBC report has stated they don't expect a total real estate market crash over the coming months. But again, it all depends on how long we remain in our current situation. Only time will tell. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And that's the Morris Code. Live by it.